Are you searching for the best cat bowls? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best cat bowls. We recommended the top 5 cat bowls in this video. All of them are maintaining quality. If you want to buy the best cat bowls, we think the list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Lord Cat Bowls. The bowls are shallow and they are a sloping side to provide your cats with easy access to food without leaving a mess. The depth of the bowls is 1 inch while the widest is about 5.8 inches. Each bowl can contain 1 cup of water or food. Lord made these bowls with BPA-free durable melamine, and this makes the bowls rust resistant, non-allergic and non-toxic. The bowls are very safe for your cat that you are very easy to clean. You can also use a dishwasher to wash them. The feet of the bowl's legs is made with rubber, and this helps to keep them in one place. The non-skid legs and the weight of the bowls ensure the bowl does not move when your cat is eating or drinking for them. Number 2. The Company of Animals Catch Interactive Feeder. The Northgate Catch Cat Slow Feeding is an interesting mat type. The puzzle feeder has a soft PPA plastic construction. The feeder is modeled on a grass patch and has a smartly sized spikes that challenge the filling of forage for its feet. The feed has a rim of these sides that prevents the kibble from the slipping through if your cats like to scoop or touch. You might want to consider getting a food mat. The rim also allows for a small amount of the wet food and water, about a half a cup along with the periphery. But make sure you place the feeder on the food mat to avoid any accidental slip or cat chow. That one feeder can be used to feed 2 cats at one time. The Northgate Catch Feeder is available in 2 colors, purple and green. Cleaning is easy and feeder is top rank dishwasher safe. Number 3. Petzilla Ceramic Food Bowl. A nice bowl is available in various design and perfect as your choice. A great stylish space capsule with a shaped design and beautiful appearance. It has a massive base to prevent tipping over. Made of the high-grade ceramic non-toxic, the bowls have no smell and are harmless. A perfect bowl for cats and small dogs, so it is easy for them to eat and drink from. The bowl is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 4. Mushroom Cat Pet Personalized Cat Bowls. This double cat food bowls is made from a high-grade ceramic material that is non-toxic, resistant to high temperature and safe for dishwasher washing. Besides, stainless steel ceramic with the benefits of cleaning and cat's health. Ceramic is also used to make many cat food bowls. With the double design, this can be used for cats and that are not a diet and for even eat dry food. You can put dry food in a bowl and water in another bowl. Therefore, cats can eat and drink at the same time. However, this is suitable for small cats, small dogs, or any small pets only. That the bigger animals may find its difficulty and stressful when they eat in these small cat bowls. Despite the basic design, this double cat bowls is steady and healthy enough not to slip on the floor even when cats move. Number 5. Pioneer Pet Cat Feeder. This feeder is an elegant looking, high quality ceramic slow feed cat bowl. This bowl is designed and quality tested in the USA and manufactured in China. Its heavy-duty ceramic construction and intelligent design prevent the bowl from being tipping over than an oversized and aggressive cat while slowing down the feeding time of your beloved feline. The bottom bowl has uneven opening for the cat to forage the food from. Rounded holes make it comfortable to scoop the kibble, and the feeder works well for both claw and disclaw feline. The bowl is designed to keep the feet safe from the greedy dog, a big bonus if you have multiple pets. However, because it is designed, you would need a non-skid food mat under the bowls to prevent the treats from slipping onto your floor. It can store up to 3.25 cups of dry cat food, so it can work well with more than one cat, and it is fully dishwasher safe.